Hey, everyone, welcome back to your channel name, where we turn ordinary spaces into extraordinary places. Today is a special day because we're diving into the heart of my home, my sanctuary, my house. Join me as we explore the different rooms, discover the hidden gems, and uncover the elements that make this place truly unique. Our journey begins in the living room, where you'll find the perfect mix of comfortable seating and vibrant artwork adorning the walls. The soft glow from the cozy fireplace creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day. As we move on to the kitchen, you'll witness the epitome of practicality and style. Large, beautifully appointed countertops offer ample space for meal prep and leisurely moments, while the sleek appliances and eye-catching backsplash make it the heart of the home. Don't forget to try out the hidden pantry. It's a treasure trove for meal ideas and inspiration. Next, let's head upstairs to the bedrooms. Each room is a lavish retreat, boasting cozy furnishings, tasteful decor, and enough space for relaxation and rejuvenation. The ensuite bathrooms are a true showstopper, featuring luxurious amenities and sleek design elements that make you feel like you're on top of the world. Finally, we'll take a stroll through the lush backyard, where you can unwind in the garden, barbecue, or enjoy a drink by the pool. The natural beauty of the surrounding area adds to the charm and tranquility of this oasis. That's it for today's tour, folks. I hope you enjoyed getting to know my house as much as we did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss an adventure on your channel name. Until next time, stay amazing.